We have booked for high tea at the Palazzo Versace, very posh hotel on the Gold Coast, but we've just had a bit of a minor drama. We've gone to put the car in the car park and realised on the way down that we've still got the kayak racks on, and they wouldn't quite make it, so that could have been a bit of a disaster.
Could have been a disaster.
Could have taken the gate out, or the cars. Anyway,
we've had a quick change. Here we go.
Yes, could have been a disaster. I don't think it's going to go. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get under there. I'm not sure whether we picked it up earlier when we drove into the entrance, but there is a big Rolls Royce in the entrance. We will actually go up that way. Actually, there's a big Rolls Royce parked at the entrance that makes you go like, oh my gosh, I'm not worthy, I'm not worthy. Anyway, here we go. We're going through the garage rather than going in the main entrance, tradesman's entrance for us today. There's the Fitness and Wellbeing Centre, and over to the lifts. Here's the one on the left. Is your hair fine now?
It is.
Okay, here we go. Beautiful crystal chandelier in the lobby. Okay, so we are at the Palazzo Versace. We've ordered an afternoon tea. It's one of the Devonshire teas. It's a petite.
It's a petit tea.
I can't remember what it's actually called, but we get a coffee with it, coffee or tea, and we get these little brioches.
So these are the curried egg brioche.
Oh, yeah.
So there's no butter on those.
No, that's fine, because you asked for a vegan version.
Yes. And then Robert's got the same. I don't really want to touch them, but
And
then
the
this is
chicken, smoked chicken.
Smoked chicken.
Beautiful.
Oh, they're lovely. They're actually mouth size, so they'll actually just go straight in the mouth, I think.
Yep. Okay, let's tuck in.
I'm just going to try one of these little curried egg brioche.
How's that?
Divine. It's beautiful.
Okay, we've finished our high tea now, and we've just popped outside by the pool. Let's have a quick look at the pool area, which we can't actually go into because we're not guests. But it's a lovely pool area. There's an artificial beach.
Sand.
There's an artificial beach over there. That's pretty nice, isn't it? And then some kamanas down at the far end. I believe you can hire out for maybe $50 a day. I think $50 a day. So that'd be nice over on that little artificial beach.
That would be nice. Get a little bit of sand in between your toes. But I think if we go inside and we'll see if we can get out through the other doors. Let's go and have a little nosy.
This is the restaurant. This is rather nice. Here is the buffet. A lot of seafood on there by the look of it. Beautiful smell of garlic.
Very garlicky, but there's lots of big bowls on the table, which I think is for all the dead bodies from the seafood when you have to crack open all
There's
the
a lot of
crabs
seafood. There's a lot of seafood on that buffet.
Yes.
So we've had our high tea now, and we have left by the front entrance, not at the tradesman's entrance that we went in. The black Rolls Royce that was in the here is gone. So I don't think it was for display. I think it must have been somebody's.
I think it was. And we're just going to go past the Sheraton. We'll show you that as we go past, because I think next time we'll
Try some high tea in the Sheraton.
try some high tea in the Sheraton.
Yes.
Very nice.
And there is a gorgeous arbour that we're walking under here. If you call it an arbour when there's no plants, I'm not sure whether you call it an arbour when there's no. Anyway, it's. I'll show you what I mean.
Beautiful.
So right across the road is the Sheraton Grand Mirage Resort. black cars around here with the windows blacked out. Makes me nervous.
Drug dealers. That's what we think.